Hi guys, we're finally here sa SM Aura. It's working na. I hope it's working. I hope the mic is working. Happy holidays po. So today is December 30, New Year na tomorrow.
Sabi nila magbabago na daw kami, pero like we're gonna spend today and tomorrow, and then by January we're gonna spend, but we're gonna spend it.
You know what guys, by next month I'll be in Thailand. Tapos itong
In one week, I'm gonna be in.
itong si we plan kasi going to Thailand for Songkran, pero sabi niya magbubook na siya. So, sige, go. I have no choice. So basically for next year, baka 3 beses ako makapag-Bangkok. So there's no reason para hindi ako matutunan ng Thai language for next year.
Correct. Kasi 3 beses. Parang
Thai language.
by the middle of the year next year, Chinese. I'll have my Chinese citizenship.
And you like Chinese men,
I love
right?
Chinese man. And the Chinese man loves me.
So much. So I'm gonna put the clips here. No, I'm just kidding. Dito kami sa SM Aura ngayon kasi imimit ni Adi yung kanyang kuya.
To get my things, kasi naiwan ko yung pants ko, mga panty ko, at saka mga damit.
Mga panty na hindi pa nalalabas.
Place ko yung panty niya dito. If you watch the Dasma vlog, makikita niyo yun.
And guys, this is Ali's lingerie. It's quite big. I don't know. Maybe
Smell it.
her pussy is.
Tayo, nakakaangat-angat na tayo.
Wow! Nandito kami sa SM Aura para kumain lang ng Frankie's. What's your...
Sa baba,
Why Frankie's?
because it's our favorite chicken wing place.
Why Frankie's?
Because it's halal.
Diba? Kung peak ang savings ko, like, makaka-afford ako ng Dior lip gloss. Magkano lang naman siya? 1.8 or 2.22, ganon. But I want there yung blush, yung powder blush nila with the baby pink one because it's really, really nice. Hello po. Tingin siya. Wala akong... Sige po, wala akong ligo bakla, walang ligo, walang toothbrush, wala lahat, walang hilamos.
We're gonna see Catherine today.
Oo talaga, nararamdaman ko na sa palad ko, makita namin si Catherine Bernardo, Meme Vice, lahat na siguro ng artista. Pero hindi niya kilala, ganyan. Brad Pitt na lang ko, Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie.
Guys, grabe ka naman.
This is my first time doing vlogs sa Philippines after my travel. No, sa taas. No, kasi sorry. Sorry. Medyo nahihiya kasi ako before mag-vlog.
Ang sabi mag-vlog, hindi banggay ng mga tao.
Nahihiya kasi ako before mag-vlog dito. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Dead ma, no?
Na binibenta yung Anma, yung Frankie na general store.
Where?
Not here sa Hong Kong.
So guys, if you know Anma, support our friend's business. I'm gonna put it here. So our friend Kim, she's selling swimsuit,
Para namang-
premium swimsuit for all of you guys. And yung first model niya ito.
That's true.
Going back to Frankie's, what's your favorite Frankie's chicken?
Yung, is it honey lemon? May ganun ba?
Barbecue.
I know what's yours.
What?
It's salted egg.
Yeah, I'm a sucker of salted egg.
It's okay. Medyo mahal nga siya.
No, I like yung original nila. Nakikita niya na yung mga luxury brand kasi may pera siya. Ano masabi mo?
Ganun talaga pag may pera ka, yumayabang ka ng konti. Ganun talaga kasi kami magkakaibigan. Mababago po kami ng pera.
Totoo yan. Sabi nga ni Nicki Minaj, money can't buy happiness. No,
Hindi
money
naman kami
can buy.
naniniwala kay Nicki Minaj.
Minaj. You're not my god anymore. Hi, Cardi B. Hi, Ariana Grande.
Never ako na-convert.
Bye, Nicki. I'm so sorry. Medyo mahaba-haba pala itong lakarin natin. Punta kasi kami sa may food court kasi nandun yung Frankie's.
Excited na din ako bumalik sa H&M para bilhin yung zebra outfit.
Ano yun?
Ang dami mong storage, dear.
Mahirap kasi kayo, di kayo nagbabayad ng iCloud. We were here na, sa food court. Doon yung Frankie's, oh. Ay, nakapaki ako. Baka akala natin siya yung pinapakihan ko. No po, I'm not that kind of person. Wow. Ay, bawal mag-vlog dito. Kaya mo maubos yung isang platter?
Ako pa ba?
So, order namin yung smoky barbecue tapos salted egg.
Ilang rice?
Isa lang rice. Bawal pala mag-vlog dito sa SM Aura, hindi ko alam. Kasi tatuloy tayo ni Kuya, pero syempre, we need to comply kasi inutos lang naman din sa kanila yon. Pero yung patience ko, that's something I need to work on for next year. So, kailangan mas maging mabait na. Sabi nga ni Kyle, kindness.
Nasita tayo. Wala naman. Sanay naman akong sitahin sa Ayala Malls.
Pero what do you think? Like, ano yung like possible reason? Like privacy ng mga tao dito. I think that's one reason. Or what?
Dapat kasi bayad. So like, regulated nila. Ganyan. Pero hindi ko nga alam eh. Parang free. It's like, it's supposed to be free.
Marketing.
So, yun ang doon nagkakaproblema. Like, ayaw nilang ma-associate sa'yo.
Crazy. But anyways, we're here to enjoy the food. Hindi para mabatid sa mga regulation na yan. The last time na pumunta ako dito, hindi pa ganito yung itsura ng yung food court. Renovated na, well renovated. And I think among all the SMs na napuntahan ko for December, yung may mga display for Christmas, SM Aura, sila yung may pinaka-the best. I mean, yung color combination, the abubot and everything.
Alam mo, nagpunta-punta tayo dito, tapos gusto ninyo sana mag-unli. Magkano ang unli? Naman nasa 500, 600. Konting talon na lang. Nasa unli na tayo.
Kahapon dapat magsasamgyo, pero bago ang mga isip ng mga tao.
Alam mo, MM siya sa ayaw niya mag-rice kasi nakakalaki carbs. Pero maghanap din siya ng ng mac and cheese. Parang pareho rin naman.
Let her enjoy the pasta. Bilang taga-Texas.
Mas malaki sa yung carbs ng mac and cheese kasi may dairy, may cheese, may milk. Tapos ang bigat pa ng pasta.
So why are you fighting against yourself?
There's so much flavor.
Okay, kunin na natin.
Yeah. So ganito kami magkakaibigan. So bukod sa we're just wearing technically pambahay. Like you will never see me outside with just flip-flops or so. But this is something we do now, every now and then. And yeah, sometimes you lose out of ideas to where to eat. So we stick with our favorites. And sometimes our favorites are not found in our neighborhood. And that's a price we pay for it. Alam mo yun, parang kung nagluto na lang sana kami, ganyan, bili kami sa Alpha Mart, edi masaya ang buhay namin ngayon. So ayan, kakain na kami. The food.
So we're gonna eat na, guys. My favorite. Also got some fries. Mainit pa. Sobrang init. So, we're going now sa Starbucks kasi coffee kami ni Jai.
Just clarifying, it's only the two of them.
We're getting tea.
This is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at the design nila for Christmas, diba? Super eleganza. It's giving eleganza. Eleganza. Huy, picture ka dyan! One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Jump shot. 1, 2, 3. Tumatawa si ate.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! So what are the things na ililet go mo na for 2025?
Ay, mga lalaki.
Oo, please, Jai. Alam niyo ba guys, for this year, meron siya nilibreng lalaki.
I sponsored
All expenses going to Taiwan.
passport round trip, flight tickets,
Just-
hotel, even allowance.
Just for her to,
Break up with him after.
sa kanya yun narinig yun. Sa kanya yun narinig, hindi na sa akin. Jai ordered chai tea.
I'm a chai girl now.
Masarap din yung chai nila guys sa bakehouse. Grabe yung pure ng niya, flavor, grabe. So I ordered grande matcha latte. Si Lawrence is wala today, if napansin niyo, wala siya sa video kasi naglabas siya. Umuwi siya ng Taguig sa slums. Patikim ako ng chai nila dito. Mas matamis siya. But to be fair, ang premium ng experience. Yun sa kasi yun sa bakehouse, talaga like,
Pure. Wala talagang, lang lapat ng asukal. I mean, may asukal, pero you can taste like, alam mong tsaa.
chai talaga yung matitikman mo doon.
Tsaa talaga.
Grill kasi ako usually mabilis ako makaubos ng drink. Pero doon sa bakehouse, hindi ko siya naubos agad.
Sarap ng kasan. Parang you wanna savor it.
No, kailangan nyo lang hanapin kung ano yung what fits for you. But like,
You shouldn't wait for doors to open for you. You should force them to open.
yeah, just keep on trying.
Huwag kayo may...
To be honest, ganun lang din ginawa ko before. I know na hindi naman ako yung parang pinakamagaling sa isang room of people, but I know I can deliver something. Yun nga sabi ko, you have to find something that you're most passionate about. Then from there, you can use that as your resources to do things. Which,
Bawal po mag-vlog dito.
It feels nakaka-proud lang. Kasi within 6 months, I didn't expect myself to earn 1.5 million.
ayan, maganda na yung lumalabas sa bibig ni Jai. Yun yung isa ko sa inyo guys. Kailangan yung hanapin yung something that you're very passionate about, then use that as your resources. Tulad ni Adi, she's very good in terms of communication. Kasi if hindi mo alam, if parang blank ano ka, though it's okay lang naman if you're still figuring out things, but dun ka pwede mag-start. Kailangan mong hanapin kung saan ka magaling. Di ba? Tama po ba?
Yeah. As long as you're happy with what you're doing, everything will align talaga.
Sabi nga ni Sabrina, please, 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 do it for yourself.
Please, bakla, please lang sinabi niya. Okay, so I'm technically not earning the same way as them, but I'm also earning. But I focus on saving up for things. So this is what happened. 2-3 months ago, I almost died on my flight. And in my head, I'm like, okay, what's the use of having a fat bank account if I'm never able to fully realize it or use it? So, ano naman siya, hindi naman to the point na I'm telling you to spend all the money that you have. But if you have the means to spend over something you like, kumbaga, you can afford Jollibee already, and then you're like, oh, I can save this, blah, blah. Like, I think it's a matter of being able to, one, survive. The second is to be happy. Kasi if you're saving, but you're no longer happy because you're cutting a lot of costs just so you can have like that certain amount in the bank account, then it's not gonna be fun. Yeah.
Totoo. That's very true naman. When it comes back, the more na ginastos mo siya, babalik sa yun. You can still earn it, but the experience talaga, tama ka, hindi mo siya mababalikan na.
Sana naman yung next time nakaayos naman tayo, te. Hindi ka naman
Yeah,
masabi kasi
biglang vlog lang kasi to, so yeah, bye for now guys.
Uy, tumawag tayo. Galing mo yung phone.
Bukas mag-video din kami, sige to.
Especially when it's New Year.
It's New Year. So that's it for this video muna guys. I'll be seeing you next time again.